lot of memories with my guy Macho, Nieves. We've been going for about a month now. You know what I'm saying? It's been a crazy month, mentally for everybody and spiritually and everything like that. One of our closest homeboys, our brother Macho, Nieves, passed away, and so we've been dealing with that on top of getting out of the state of Florida and just going and taking care of our minds. You know what I mean? So I've been seeing making noise in the kitchen has been seeing all of the comments and everything from the videos, and you know what I'm saying, we see y'all, we ain't neglecting y'all, we ain't leaving, we still here, you know what I'm saying, we just had to take care of a couple things, you know what I'm saying, but yeah, man, I don't even know what else to say other than that.
Life comes and goes. It's just that simple.
Yeah, and we're all kind of cried out. I don't want to put it like that, you know what I mean? But like, it's been one of those, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're here. It's back to the business, because I know my nigga wouldn't want it any other way.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? So, but that's it. You know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to my dog. Miss you, love you, my nigga. You know what I mean? And shit, making noise in the kitchen is back in full effect. Exactly. I am your boy, Carlo Banger, aka Don Perignon.
And I am Uncle Mario, aka the Senator.
Yeah. Yeah. Back at it. Yo, it's been a month. Like we said, it's been a while. And we still here doing our thing. Like, what's been cracking with you? What's new? We just came back from a vacation.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
July 4th little weekend. That thing was tight. We were up in Virginia. I got some footage that y'all gonna see.
It's like a vacation of doing nothing but eating.
Yeah, eating.
Oh my God.
Galore.
Exactly.
Galore. Yeah, eating and drinking.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? Spent it was like what, 5 days? So yeah, it was 5 days of 5 days, right?
Yeah, I think Saturdays.
Yeah.
Saturday was a whole day. Sunday, yeah.
But just straight crab eating, venison eating, shroom eating. Nah. You know what I'm saying? Just straight doing it. My birthday was out there, and I had to say I had a great day on my birthday, July 6th. We was up in Georgetown. We went to La Bodega. And it's not the bodega, that like the corner store that we used to be at, you know what I'm
restaurant.
saying? Yeah, no, it was
Delicious
a restaurant,
at that.
restaurant. We had what was that?
Paella.
There we go. We had paella. Yeah, paella. That was bussin'.
You had
right
some
here. Those
crab cakes.
Yeah, the crab cakes wasn't at La Bodega, but we had the chicken croquettes. Those meatballs were off the chain.
They were.
Those meatballs were off the chain. That was your thing right there. Yeah, it was and that was a bonita tuna, and it was on like poached tomatoes, and that thing was bussin' too.
Damn, I don't think I saw that one.
Chicken croquettes, yeah, because the boys were eating it. Like, yeah, they were going crazy on that. But what else, man? That paella had monkfish in it. Oh yeah, the octopus. It was octopus
clams
seared with potatoes and like smoked paprika. Yeah, and then the mussels.
Oh,
the mussels were bussin'.
The mussels were fantastic.
World, right?
I'm not a seafood eater, but the mussels were fantastic.
Those mussels were crazy as hell.
And that sauce, oh my God.
Yeah, like I was dipping the bread in there. You know what I'm saying? I had a couple shots in that plate, but I was dipping the bread in there, Yeah, the olive oil to dip in the bread. Yeah, La Bodega's it's always been dope. I remember going there when I was like 9 years old. I remember Juan bought us in there. My cousin, my mom's cousin Juan bought us in there. My mom don't remember, but she bought us in there a long time ago. And he bought us in there. My bad, a long time ago.
I was gonna say, wait a minute. Juan just got funny.
Coño. But he bought us in there a long time ago, and I remember that place. And that was like when I had visited Virginia and DC at that time when I was young. It was like tapas, and then the Ben's Chili Bowl was a big thing. We didn't get a chance to go over there. That sucks. But that
next
was like,
time, next time.
yeah, you know what I'm saying. But that was the big thing. You know what I'm saying. Everybody was wilding off of that, and then
And we had a full night of fireworks,
yeah, it was busting.
chilling by the fire.
Yeah,
It was just a bomb.
yeah, had a nice fire going.
Watching
saw
nature
deer, all
around
the
us.
wildlife and all that malarkinisms.
All the wildlife around us.
Yeah, that was definitely tight. But yeah, that was the DC trip. Did you like the breakfast burrito from Anita's?
I didn't eat. I don't think I ate it.
Yes, you did.
Did I?
Yeah, on the way to DC.
I guess that's
The breakfast burrito. Remember when we went inside?
right.
He's
No,
like,
no, I don't. I don't. I thought it was. I remember it being bland, like very bland. It didn't need like salt or something.
That's why that fucking little sauce. That's why I told you take that little sauce. It was like a salsa, and you take a bite of the burrito and then you pour that on there, and then
No, I
take the
didn't
bite
do
of the
that.
burrito. Yeah, I'm telling you, that shit was unbelievably bussin', unbelievably, and it still hasn't changed. You know what I'm saying? I should have not listened to y'all and just gotten the chorizo ones, and then y'all would have really been
The
like,
tapas,
oh
yeah.
man, this is no the chorizo burrito, the breakfast burrito,
Right on.
and then y'all would have really been like, oh yeah, yo,
On
that
fire.
shit, yeah. But like I felt like I had the crabs, the crabs. We went and got 12.5 of crabs, and I feel like I didn't get fulfilled enough. And I was going ham on those fucking crabs.
Everybody was going ham
And
except for me.
I was sitting there, and I felt like I needed more. Eat the crab cakes, whatever. For me, crab cakes never. I mean, of course, we didn't go to Edgewater. You know what I mean? And that you can tell the difference between Edgewater and all these other crab places. It's like I always said. But when they take crab meat and they break it down and put cornmeal or fucking breadcrumbs or whatever, and then make the crab cake,
Packet, yeah.
I don't want that. They take the whole in Edgewater. They take the whole lump crab and just take butter and breadcrumb and just form it together. They don't break nothing. So when each bite that you're taking of this crab cake, it is like lump, delicious,
Right on.
fucking crab. You know what I'm
But
saying?
with our luck, of course, they were
they're
on vacation.
You know what I'm saying? Like a bunch of dick smokes. But whatever, we'll cover them another time. You know what I'm saying? I guess we'll do that. Whatever. But you know what I'm making today?
What are you making?
Shrimp burgers.
Shrimp burgers.
Yeah.
Right on.
Remember that? We've never got to really put the film out of the shrimp burgers, but I'm gonna make a couple of shrimp burgers, or they're the sliders. You know what I mean? And it's a shrimp grounded up. Y'all see over here in this video that I grounded. I put in the blender some shrimp with some seasoning. Got some mustard, turmeric, some adobo, of course, ginger.
So what are you doing with that? Frying it?
We're gonna pan serum.
All right.
So I got some ginger and smoked paprika, salt, red pepper, and garlic powder, and I mix it in with some egg, some mirin, and fish sauce, and let that thing and some my bad, cilantro.
Thank you, sir.
We put some cilantro in there and garlic. So this is gonna be a good shrimp burger. I put it in the fridge to let it form up now. So now all I gotta do is patty these things up, and we're gonna pan serum. Put a little bit of alfalfa sprouts on there on top, sprinkled with some lemon juice and some tajin, and a thinly sliced watermelon and thinly sliced smoked Gouda with bacon.
Did you say watermelon?
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
No.
Wow.
Yeah, this is gonna be a pretty crazy little nice. I freshened it up a little bit more than what I mean. So we're gonna go in this. I'm gonna get everything ready right here and prepared. Shrimp burgers, making noise in the kitchen. Making noise in the kitchen. How you say that shit in Spanish? Making noise in the kitchen.
Haciendo ruido en la
Yeah,
cocina.
some shit like that. So I know Hino. How to say it?
Haciendo ruido en la cocina.
Haciendo ruido
En la cocina.
en la cocina.
There you go.
Pendeja desgraciado.
That was perfect.
Yeah. Hey, you need to pay attention to this camera, right? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with our patties. We're gonna make some shrimp burger patties.
You ready?
All right. I want to dump a little bit of oil on this plate so this way nothing sticks and everything is just all gravy. These are sliders that we're doing. So look at this.
Tiny burgers.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's basically like all you got to do is like make kind of like meatballs out of this thing. Look at that. I got some shrimp chunks in that thing. So this is gonna be dope. Woo! Nice and cold. If you can't just blend this up and then like try to make the burgers after that, it's not gonna work. You gotta get it cold so this way everything mounds together. You see that? Look at that, beautiful.
Gesundheit.
My bad.
Yikes.
So beautiful. Got the green onions in there. You know what I mean? Got some goodness. Look at this. Pretty. Oh, shit.
Doesn't want to stay.
Ay, míralo. Yo, you know something crazy? So last night when we were watching that Conor McGregor fight, do you remember when I was talking to y'all about how I watched this like 21-year-old kid sitting in his driver's seat on Facebook Live or Instagram Live, and he ended up getting shot up and killed?
I actually don't remember that.
You don't remember that? Well, like it was like seriously, like he was talking to his homeboy on Instagram Live, and these dudes ran up on him and shot him straight up and murked him. Like you saw him get hit with the bullets all in his face and everything.
Oh shit!
And then he was like he was screaming. He started screaming at the camera. He was like, "Help, help!" But he couldn't talk. And I was like, "What the hell?" You know what I found out last night?
That was a gag.
No, that is the kid. He has some tag name. He's a blood, but he has some tag name where that's the kid that has been defacing Nipsey Hussle's mural. Over in California.
Retribution.
And it's man. I'm not trying to like promote this or I'm not trying to indict any. Anyway, yeah, I believe that. But I seen like some Crips, like say like when they caught him doing that, they literally said they were like, "You gonna die," and they caught that little nigga on.
I guess
camera.
they weren't lying.
They caught that little nigga on camera getting killed, yo. 246, 245. Yo, when I saw that thing, I was like, oh my god. And his homeboy, like I guess it's his best friend, literally watched him on camera get killed. Yeah, it's bugged out shit. That shows you them boys out there in LA they are not playing.
Everybody's quick to draw. You know what I'm saying?
That's the thing with this new generation. They ain't ready to bang. I've seen little niggas say fighting is not fun. Like, are you serious? Like, I'd rather bang it out with anybody, anytime. Like, why not? You know what I'm saying?
And guns is fun.
Let's like murk each other out. That's even better, or like really maim each other or hurt each other. That shit don't make no sense to me. Like you can seriously bang it out and then after be like, yo, that boy has some hands. Yo, you gotta give him respect. You slap a boy, you slap him, you be like, yo, we could be friends after this.
Exactly.
I fought so many people afterwards and became their friends.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? That's wild, dude. But they just need to, get their mind right. Man up, ball up, nigga. Like.
But and then you see the craziness, like that video of the guy shooting the other guy, and he gets in the middle of a mother and her child, and he's jumping all around.
Oh no, it was like two. It was two kids. As a matter of fact, I seen in the Bronx.
Yeah.
It was two kids.
And he starts using them. He starts using them as like.
He was ducking around them. I don't know how them kids didn't get shot.
I'm telling you.
I don't know how them kids didn't get shot. That was the most craziest thing ever. Yo, this world getting crazy as shit. They're straight pussies out here nowadays. Like, it's unbelievable.
That's why it's easy to use a gun.
You know what I'm saying? Straight bitch ass niggas. Let me wash my hands.
So, the mayor of Chicago was asking the president for help because this 4th of July weekend was
so many killings.
Had the most shootings.
It's like that. That's not gonna change. Like,
Chicago's always been like that, and if they don't get treated right, they're always gonna be like that. I think they need a lot of help, and the government really should step in and help.
The city created that from the 70s. They created that environment out in Chicago. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure there's a lot of people that would like to change
Oh my
out
gosh.
there, but it's like imagine the people that ain't in that life and living out there,
Yeah.
having to deal with
Can't
that
get away
madness.
from it.
You know what I'm saying? You know how heartbreaking that is to like be having to worry about you go to school. You know what I'm saying? I'd be like, "Man, you crazy." Mm-mm.
But I want to send out a congratulations to Richard Branson. He was the first civilian to fly into space.
Rich civilian.
Yep. He flew into space and came back.
Man, fuck that nigga, bro. You good?
That's just the beginning, and then now it's gonna be what's his name, the guy from Google.
Is that camera doing good? So you mean to tell me, would you fly to space?
No, not just yet. It's a little too early.
Oh,
It's a little too early for me to fly into space now.
If I had the opportunity, I don't care how early or how, you know what I mean. I'd do it. Straight up, I'd do it. I don't care. Yeah, that's crazy.
That'd be the ultimate. That'd be the ultimate.
Yeah, like who? It's only there's very few people. I wonder what the percentage is of people that can visit space. You know what I'm saying?
Fucking like 1%, well, minus 1%.
No, what else is crazy? I watched this documentary, and like it's based off in Lebanon, that place up in the east. And
What do you mean?
how all the kids over there, and every single person owns a gun, and the gun trade in like the Middle East.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Yeah, like over by the Beirut area.
Yeah, all them kids running up to you with guns and stuff like that.
They're literally playing with guns. It's crazy.
It's a regular thing out there. You know what I mean?
They get raised that way. From when they're babies, they play with guns.
Yeah, and they're saying the government just keeps on giving them more money for the weapon trade, and they want them all to die.
It's eradication. They're always trying to eradicate people. I don't know why it's such a money-making industry, though. The eradication of people. Isn't that kind of weird? Yeah, this shit smells good already, bro.
Yeah, it smells like
Bacalao.
yeah,
Bacalaitos.
yeah.
If y'all don't know what bacalaitos are, you know what I'm saying, in Puerto Rico, go take a trip, B. You know what I'm saying? And you learn, B.
It's a little I don't even know what to describe it as. Huh? It's a little fish.
It's saltfish fritter.
A saltfish fritter. That would be it. Yes. But they're delicious.
Yo, so you eat bacalaitos, nigga?
Yeah.
Can you pull another napkin like that from? Yeah, bacalao. Oh my God, that's what I miss Puerto Rico for. Yeah, I remember I went to Puerto Rico in them time, and them things are like this big. Oh my God. I almost banged the guy who sold it to me. No, I'm kidding.
Yikes.
Look at this, beautiful. Get a nice little golden brown. Let me lower this heat a little bit. So I get this side cooking right. Woo! Look at that, looking beautiful. Lower this heat.
See, that's the color the cheese is supposed to be when it comes out, when you fry cheese.
Nice golden brown.
Yeah.
Like I want to flatten these down a little bit, not too much. I want to make sure that everything's getting cooked through. You can almost just turn the heat off, really. You know what I'm
Nothing,
saying?
just
Because you don't
finish
want it
cooking.
to be overcooked, chewy. Look at that, beautiful. Ooh, almost burned myself. It's alright, it's alright. Look at that, beautiful. Ah, burned myself again, but it's alright.
Damn, it's the same one. Doesn't like you.
A little bit of heat. Boom. Thing's a nice color. You got this on camera, B? Wow.
It is looking right pretty.
Yeah, look at that. Nice colors.
That's restaurant quality right there.
Yeah.
Those are perfect.
Look at that. And that's the thing. You don't want the shrimp to overcook or anything like that. You want it to have the nice little sweet bite, smooth bite, and then with the garlic and the green onion in there. And I try to put a little bit of scallion in there if I didn't tell y'all that earlier. You know what I mean? but it's gonna have a nice mixture of sweetness and saltiness and see how it's still salt. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, they be telling me I need to go on Iron Chef. Or what's
You
that,
do.
the Gordon Ramsay thing? Yeah,
Yeah.
he used to have a show on Channel 5 or Fox or whatever where they like had like home cooks and all that and everything, but I'll be steps above them though. Like,
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that'd be dope to just go over there and murk all of them. Not just be evil. I'll be the villain. I'll be like the Kobe Covington of the damn, you know what I mean? Míralo, ay coño, okay. También, eso, that's it. Alright, so right now we just want to toast some bread up a little bit. So, get a nice little sear on all sides of this bread over here, B.
Get them oils going into the bread.
Get the flavor from the shrimp.
Absorb that. Perfect fit.
Yeah. Boom. Boom. You know what I mean? Yeah, just get a nice little cut. It doesn't have to be crazy. I just want, you know what I mean? For it to cover the bases. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I really wish that I had some more crabs. I ain't even gonna lie.
Dang.
I can bust up some crabs right now.
Can't you get crabs down here?
There's like I found this place and it's almost like kind of like a waiting list. You gotta like call on Wednesday. Yeah, it's some yeah, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? All right, I'm gonna turn this off. Got a nice little look at that, real quick. Nice little brownness on all of them. We ain't playing no games. Put it to the side. That's beautiful. So real quick, I want to put these back on for a second. Grab that cheese, that plate of cheese. This is gonna be a flash. I'm gonna do a flash. Just put a couple. This is smoked Gouda with bacon. Even if it doesn't melt all the way, that's fine. But we want that on there. Alright.
Oh, it's smelling so good.
And then just top it off for a couple seconds. The heat's not even on. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that just do its thing real quick. Alright. We'll put that to the side. Let that sit over there. Alright, now over here in this little bowl, Carlton, I'm looking over here. We're gonna grab these Alphalpha Sprouts. Alright. This is gonna give everything a nice little crunch and a nice little earthy taste, a nice little gardeny, like give it that little. There's sections in the bite of this shrimp burger. You know what I'm saying? And so you're gonna go through each section right here, right? So what I want to do with these Alphalpha Sprouts is I want to add a little bit of red wine vinegar.
Nice.
Okay. A little bit of lime juice. Olive oil. This is where the tajin. A little bit of tajin because that's gonna. Yeah, you'll see that in a second. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Move that around. I'm gonna soak all that flavor up.
Smell it from here.
You know? So you're gonna get a little bit of tart, a little bit of sea, a little bit of smoky, a little bit of whatever you want. You know what I mean?
Right on.
So now put that to the side. Grab your plate.
Some buns on those plates.
These buns on there. You know? Alright. Look at everything was melting over here. It's not even melted all the way, but it's fine. You know. All right, let's start with these burgers, these shrimp burgers. Nice size. Oh, these things look pretty. Nice color. Cheese is still there. We still got some structure because there's bacon in there. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. I'm getting mad
That
at
looks
myself
good.
right now.
That looks amazing.
I'm getting mad at myself.
That should be on. That should be on in a pictures in a magazine or something.
You know? Yes. So all across the board.
And they smell good too.
A little bit of olive oil. You know? Right here. This is where we want to put the watermelon. People might think this is a little crazy, but
When you try it, can't explain it.
I'm a weirdo, you know? I be thinking of these things, and I'm like, you know what? I know it's gonna work because I'm me. Look, I sliced the watermelon thin, you know? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. I want a little bit more olive oil on that. Why not, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. So then you grab your tajin. That's when you sprinkle. That's going to give it that little bit more tartness, right? And then this is when you grab your alfalfa sprouts that's been sitting in that beauty right over there.
Marinating.
You know? Yeah. This thing's looking right. Like a work of art, huh?
Oh, hey.
It's alright.
Breaking down the house.
It's alright.
Making noise in the kitchen.
Making
You know?
noise in the kitchen. That's right.
Fresh cracked pepper. A little bit of sal. And just close these bad boys up. Kang.
Wow.
They look beautiful.
Gracias por todo.
You were doing pictures? Did you do like an up close? So when you cut this camera's still filming.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, shit. Make a noise in the kitchen. We'll be back in a second.
So we're back, and all I have to say is wow.
Let me tell you something. What happened with all the volume? Oh, there we go. I'm telling you, I will fight somebody right now for another one of those damn shrimp burgers. Them shits was
Oh my gosh,
amazing.
they were really, really good.
Yo,
I'm not a seafood fan. Everybody knows it, but that was killer.
Yo, that thing was crazy, and it was like, yeah, I was thinking about it because like you'll see in the video, yeah, it's just one egg, and all of that is shrimp. That's grounded shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why every bite you get, it was like shrimp fouillon. You know what I mean? But like, man, I would punch somebody in the mouth right now because that shit was so damn good, yo. Yeah, no, that thing was busting, and that's something that I would want to put on my food truck, right there. And it's very easy to make. I did that in the blender. You don't need a Vitamix. You know what I'm saying? You'd be, blessed if you do have a Vitamix or whatever to do it. You know what I mean? But yeah, that thing right there, and the alfalfa sprouts and the watermelon.
Just came together. You wouldn't think you'd really taste a watermelon, but it comes through so nicely and cool.
You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying? And then in the background, you taste that Gouda, smoked Gouda cheese with
the bacon. Yeah.
And
It's like the last taste you have in your mouth is that Gouda with the bacon.
yeah, and you have every aspect of everything in that in the slider. The when you take a bite, you're getting everything right there.
Exactly.
My bad. you're getting smokiness, you're getting sourness, tanginess, sweetness, saltiness.
The whole shebang.
This shit was bussin'.
Oh my gosh.
This shit was bussin'. So on a banger scale, from 1 to 5, I will give that shrimp burger a motherfucking 5.
I'd give it a 5 and I'd buy that.
It's a
5? 5? Yeah, yo, like, that thing is bussin'. That thing is bussin'.
with the watermelon, the bean sprouts.
You can easily have 2 of them.
Yeah, you can make these things big if you wanted to, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can make it.
Yeah.
Those are perfect size.
Yeah, that's a perfect size.
You'd murk the whole thing out. I guarantee anybody that got any kind of size of that thing and get that with some dope ass fries,
Oh, wow.
you would fucking murk that thing out. Yo, that.
Some onion rings.
Oh man, some dope ass beer batter onion rings
Yep.
with a nice dipping sauce, and that dipping sauce you can dip the onion rings in and the shrimp burger in.
Yep.
You walk up to that damn shrimp burger, yeah.
Yikes.
I'd rape that shrimp burger. God damn it.
Good burger. I don't know if I'd rape it, but it's a good burger.
Hey, you know what I'm saying? Carlo Banger making noise in the kitchen type shit. You know what I'm saying? You love it. You know, yeah, that was busting. That definitely. Hey, over there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I mean, this was dope. This was definitely cool little episode. You know what I mean?
A little rusty. We were all a little rusty.
A little something. But
to
I
get
mean,
back.
it wasn't nothing crazy. We still did our damn thing. You know what I mean? But you know, all in the namesake of our boy. You know what I mean? And rest in peace. Damn, my bad. Rest in peace once again to my nigga, my brother. You know what I'm saying? Macho. Man, it's crazy. This is still kind of unreal to us. You know what I'm saying? So we got to get back in the groove. But you know, I know for a fact though that he would be clowning me if we didn't continue doing what we was doing
Right.
and yelling "wepa." You know what I'm saying? So we gonna continue doing it. This is Making Noise in the Kitchen. I am your boy Carlo Banger, aka Don Perignon.
And I am Uncle Mario, a.k.a. the Senator.
Making Noise in the Kitchen, yeah.